Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Dark Trooper from Star Wars. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking Dark Trooper, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in the kind of like the eyebrow area first. It's going to be very simple, just one line across. And then from here we're going to draw in a big dome shape. So this is going to be the top of the helmet. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the eyes. So just kind of come in, two slants coming in. And then go back up toward the center, just leave a little bit of a gap. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw two slants coming down, go across, and then now we're gonna draw in the mouth area. And this is a very cool shape. And then from here, just close off the bottom, just one little curve. Okay, and then let's go ahead and add in some details inside. So this one's easy. We're just gonna draw one little border all the way around. And then right in the middle here, I'll draw a thicker line. It's got those grid lines. And then we'll come out to the side. Just one more on each side. And you can draw more if you like. Okay, and then now to finish off the head, on the side of the face, come back to the corner here. Just draw a line to about the midpoint of this. Okay, so the middle of this. And then on this part right here, slant down, and then same slant as this, start over here. I know it looks a little bit strange right now, so just close this off. Alright, so that's gonna give us the head shape, and it's very cool looking. Okay, let's continue on down, and let's see. This will be kind of like the neck area, but also part of the chest. So we're gonna draw 2 lines like this, and then close it off. And then now we're gonna continue on right here. This is gonna be the shoulder pad, or part of it. Just draw a curve going out. Come back up here. It's got those really big shoulder pads. Slant down so that when we close this, it's gonna be straight across. That's gonna give us the shoulder pads. And then in here, we can finish it off. Just some detail. Alright, so let's continue on with the body. And the body is very easy to draw. So here's the armpit somewhere around here. Just draw 2 lines like this first, come down, angle in, and then just close it off. So we'll just keep this simple. Continue down the side, just 1 long rectangle. And then let's continue down. Just 1 more rectangle. Okay, so that's gonna be the hip, and let's go ahead and add 1 more detail on the bottom. And then we'll move on to the arm. So just slant in and then close it off. Okay, so his leg's gonna start over here, but before we draw that, let's go ahead and draw in the arms. So again, here's the armpit. Just come down slightly, go out, and then from the shoulder pads, so 1 little block here. Straight down, close it off. Okay, and then for the lower arm, we're gonna flare out, straight down, pinch it in, and then close it off. Okay, so same thing here, we'll flare out. This part is straight down, pinch it in, close it off. Okay. And then now for the hands, for the thumb, just 1 little hook. Here's the back of the fist. Come down and then just hook it up into the thumb, and then 1 little line right here for the other fingers. Okay, so same thing here. 1 little hook. Back of the fist. Come down, go up. Okay, and let's see, we can add in some more little details up here. Just right on the elbow right here, just 1 line. 2 lines like this for the gears or some kind of joint. And in here, just add a little box, and then 1 line right on the center. Right, so these parts are really easy to draw, right, once you have the overall shape. And then right on the wrist right here, we can add 1 little curve. And then up here, it looks like it's got some paneling. So let's just add a little rectangle right here. Divide it up, and I'm gonna add 3 little dots. And then lastly, right on the belt section right here, if you wanna add in a couple of lines, just to make it a little bit more complicated. Okay, so now let's draw in the legs. So here's the inside. We're gonna start on the outside here. Just bracket down. On the inside here, just bracket. And then close it off with a slant. And then we'll keep the legs simple. We'll continue down. Just kind of pinch it in and then close it off with another slant. And then for the foot, on the inside here, come straight down. And then on this side, we're gonna go out and then just close it off flat. Okay, same thing on this side. All right, so that's the overall shape, and now let's add in some more details. So right here in the middle, line coming down, and then we'll go out. Okay, and then for the knee, kind of same thing up here. Just one line across and then two little lines right here. And then on the bottom right here, I'm just going to add one little rectangle. All right, and then lastly, some details on the foot. Just draw a little rectangle in there and just divide it up. And that is it for this very cool looking Dark Trooper. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.